Here on the tundra, Rowdy's very first caribou on the Arctic slope. The 300 black test rifle and the Hornady SST test loads. Rowdy's very first caribou bull. Looks like you made a hell of a shot, son. Pick up his head, let's see what he's got. Wow. Wow. Outstanding. Waited my whole life. Walk out in the tundra with my son in Alaska. His whole life. For this moment.
I said, 'cause I'm happy. Clap along.